Good day. My name is Emmanuel Udofia. I'll be teaching ICT as a subject, and we'll be starting our class with the introduction to computer. So I'm sure most of us are aware that computers are the technology that we use these days to do so many things that makes our work easier and faster. And even while you can see during this election too, we have some gadget that's being used, the device that is being used as one of the computer devices. So computers can be anything that you have that is electronical or mechanical that can aid your work in a way that it will be faster. So this moment we are talking about the introduction to computer. What are the key things, those things that computers can do for us and how we can make do of them. So but our objective this morning is based on number one, how to describe computer and its parts, and also briefly explain the functions of each of those parts, then identify the parts of the system and explain each of them. So we're going to start with the first one, the computer system. What is the computer system? Now, computer system itself means things that can easily accept data, process data, stores data, and also give out information. Now, note that I said accept data. During accepting data, that means you must have an input device that does all those work. Then processing, you must have what, a processing device. Then storage, you must have a storage device. Then also give it out, show that you must have what, an output device. So all these four components are very key in having a computer system. Now, computers are made up of many parts, and it is used at schools, in homes and offices and other places. If you look at my picture on the screen now, you can see that we have four important parts of computer. We have the system unit, the monitor, the mouse, and the keyboard. Now let's talk about the monitor itself. Now, if you look at the monitor, it looks like television and allows us to see whatever thing we are doing on the computer. Without the monitor, we cannot see whatever input which is being sent from the keyboard or the mouse. And also we have the keyboard itself. Now the keyboard operates like a typewriter but has many additional keys. So you can easily count the number of keys that we have on the keyboard. You have start of keyboard, you have the standard keyboard and the enhanced keyboard. So they both have different numbers of keys. One has 106 keys, while the other one has 84 to 88 keys. Then also we have the mouse. Now the mouse itself looks like a kitchen mouse. You can see the mouse like a rat. So the mouse that runs around in our kitchen, like how the mouse looks like. So the mouse has different buttons. So we have the left button, the right button, and the scroll button. Then connected to the wire or can have a wireless a mouse. So it is used to send instructions to the computer. Then we have the system unit. Now this is the powerhouse. It's the head of the computer. It is where every action in the computer takes place. So most people consider this system unit to be a CPU. No, it's quite different. CPU can be found inside the system unit itself. So it's a powerhouse. It has so many components inside of them. We have the hard disk, we have DVD-ROM, we have the motherboard, we have so many things, CMOS battery inside the system unit. Then this is the CPU itself. This is the brain of the computer. This is how it looks like, very tiny, and it works perfectly. Like it's speed. It works on the speed. So you can see how the CPU looks like. Then with this one now, that's shown that we have talked about all the four components of the computer, the ones that are very common. And without those four things, you have not gotten a computer system. So we have activities for us to do. You can name different number of keys you have on the keyboard, and also how to place your hands on the mouse and all that. So then with this one, I can evaluate you, describe the computer and its parts, and briefly explain the function of its parts. So these are the assignments you can work on. So I believe this little analysis you can really understand what computer introduction is all about. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.